Welcome to the Sources Solve series. In this video, we will give you some quick and easy tips on how to run an election. Holding an election will be something that almost every organization will run into at one point or another because leadership positions are constantly changing. Elections are a fair, effective way to select members for leadership positions, and it's important to have this process totally planned out. The first thing one must do in order to even hold an election is to advertise what positions are available. This can be addressed at your meetings, done online, or through handouts. Not only is it important to advertise what positions are available, but organization members need to have an understanding of what their job responsibilities would be, so providing this information in an easy-to-read format is helpful. Lastly, it's important to provide information regarding the eligibility for the position so that applicants know whether or not they can run. That being said, before candidates can run, they need to know exactly what they will need and when they'll need it. These requirements may include an application, a transcript, a certain number of signatures, and a platform describing themselves, their ideas, their goals, and their reasons for running. All of these should be addressed before elections so that candidates have time to prepare. Some other requirements that will determine a candidate's eligibility may include candidates must attend a meeting called Meet the Candidates Forum to answer questions and get their face and name known, attend a certain number of meetings within that organization, be a certain class year or have a certain number of academic credits, and have a particular GPA. Communication is key. Not only do candidates need to know what they need, but they also need to know when it's due. Before the election, you must determine when the applications are due, when petitions and platforms are due, as well as which meetings the candidates must attend. You also need to determine actual election information, such as when the elections will take place, where it will take place, when the election results will be announced, and when the officers will officially take office. Once all of this is determined, nothing should stop you from having an organized and successful election. That concludes our lesson on how to run an election. We hope you have gained some ideas that will help you develop your team. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the Source at 330-972-2483, email us at source@uakron.edu, or stop by.